friends, welcome to Donna Cooking. In this video we'll be making a warm and cozy meal perfect for the fall days ahead. Let's get started. We'll begin by making a homemade pumpkin soup. You'll need 4 cups of pumpkin puree and half an onion, a can of coconut milk, 2 cups of vegetable broth, and an apple. Measure out a teaspoon of coconut oil and add it to your soup kettle with your half an onion all chopped, and go ahead and saute it till nice and soft. Then add your cut up chopped apple. Keep stirring, soften that, and you'll be adding a tablespoon of curry powder. And let those flavors mix in together, and add 2 cups of vegetable broth. Let this simmer a little bit, and then you can add your 4 cups of pumpkin puree and a teaspoon of salt. Let this bubble and cook, and go ahead and add a can of coconut milk. If you prefer, you can add regular milk. Stir, it'll be so creamy and delicious, and let that simmer just a little bit to combine the flavors. This cozy fall pumpkin soup is so good with toasted pumpkin seeds sprinkled on top. Now on to my mom's cranberry bread recipe. I've added an awesome nut streusel topping. This is the old recipe that was handed down in my family, so it's very special. Usually I use Alaska cranberries, but since I didn't have any this year, I used store-bought, so this is brand new. So we'll be adding 4 tablespoons of butter and a banana and mixing it in your mixer. Give it a good whip, and then go ahead and add your sugar. Next you'll be adding your milk and all your dry ingredients. Give it a stir, and at the very end you'll be adding in your cranberries. If you'd like, you can add nuts, but since I had a nut topping, I left it that way. In the description box below the video, I'll put in the recipe for this topping. Basically, it's oatmeal and some various nuts and cranberries, and a little bit of cinnamon sugar. Go ahead and pat that all down, kind of press it into the top of your loaf. You'll be baking this in a 350-degree oven, 45 minutes to an hour, or until done. It turned out perfect. This cranberry bread recipe is really good with some butter and cream cheese. Thanks for coming along with me and making these fall-inspired recipes. Hope you can enjoy them and make them soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for new videos coming soon.